What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game The Alters on your PC. So for the first step we will open our Google browser and we are going to search this game up on Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So what we will do is go to the Google browser and search for the Steam website. Now quickly search up this game and after that we will type in The Alters in the search bar. Now select the game. After that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game on Steam is €34.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for this. What we will do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here. Then you will be automatically redirected to this webpage. Here we can buy games much cheaper than on Steam itself. So search for the game The Alters and after that select games on the left side. Now go to the sort by option and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, scroll a little bit down till you find the PC version, which can be activated in your country, so you are able to activate and download it, and after that you will select it. Now if you select this game, you will find out that we already can buy this game for just €15.33 compared to the Steam price of €34.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Also, it will be completely safe because you are downloading this game through a new Steam account and you are able to download the game in Steam. Once you have bought this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new Steam account, also legit, to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!